Hi everyone, so today we're going to look at the relationship between perimeter and area, but this time we're going to answer the question, can rectangles have the same area but a different perimeter? So here in this example, they talk about having a castle that has an area of 16 square units and a perimeter, a moat that goes around the outside of 16 units. So if we look at this first castle, and we see that the area is 1 by 16, so it's 16 square units. And then the perimeter, if I look, it has 8 here for the moat on this side and 8 for the moat on this side, but it doesn't go around the whole perimeter. In order to go around the whole perimeter, you need 34 units. So the perimeter and the area are not the same. So here, find the area. You have 2 by 8, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 square units. The area on this one is 16 square units. And the perimeter, if I look, if I put 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side, that's 16 units, but I don't have a moat on this side or this side. So I would need 20 units to go around the perimeter of this castle. On this castle, I have an area of 16, 4, 8, 12, 16 square units, and the perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 16 units. So only this castle would have enough to go around the whole perimeter of the castle. Let's look at another example. Here it says to use the grid paper to draw 2 rectangles that have the same area. So I'm going to draw 2 rectangles with the area of 6 feet. So if I draw this rectangle right here, I can see on the inside there's 2, 4, 6. So this one has 6 square feet or 6 feet squared. And my perimeter is 3 by 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 more is 8, 9, 10. So this one has a perimeter of 10 feet. So I'm going to draw one more rectangle with an area of 6. So I'm going to draw it really long and thin with 6 squares. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area inside is 6 feet squared. And then the perimeter on this side, this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side is 6, and this side is 1. So if I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The perimeter of this rectangle is 14 feet. So as you can see, just because you have the same area does not mean you have the same perimeter. It says tell which one has the smaller perimeter. So this one right here has the smaller perimeter. Let's look at one more. If you want to stick around to listen to one more, you can. So describe a different rectangle with the same area as the one shown, then tell which rectangle has the smaller area. So if I look at this one, it's 6 by 4, which means that it has 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 plus 4 is also 10. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 20, and don't forget the unit should match up, so it's 20 meters is the perimeter, and then the area is 6 times 4, so it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So the area of this is 24 square meters, or meters squared. And if I want to draw a different one over here, I need to have the same area. So 24. So I'm going to draw mine to be 2 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just had enough room. And then by 2, and by 12 again. The perfect line. I'm trying to go too fast. So the perimeter of this is 12. This side, that side's 12 and this side's 2. So 12 plus 12 is 24. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So the perimeter of this one is 28 meters. The area, if we just count the inside squares, we can multiply 12 times 2 is 24, or we could say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So the area of this rectangle is 24 meters squared. So you can see this one with the perimeter of 20 meters has a smaller perimeter than this one over here. So good luck today with your perimeter and area.